Hey guys, if you don't know yet who we are, let me share with you Oriflame's story. Oriflame was founded back in the beautiful country of Swedia 55 years ago by two brothers, Robert and Jonas of Jochnick. Oriflame was founded in Sweden. I'm sure many of you know that Sweden is also the home of brands like H&M, Spotify, Volvo, IKEA, Skype, TetraPak, and countless more innovative companies. But did you also know that Sweden is where the mighty Vikings came from? Today, Oriflame is the #1 European social selling beauty brand in the world. And our iconic products range from everything from skincare, makeup, fragrance, and even wellness. Our product philosophy is firmly based on two sources: being inspired by nature and powered by science. A founding element that separates us from other beauty brands is that since day one, we have always been against animal testing. Personally, I only practice animal testing. Being from Sweden, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. For example, none of our product formulations contain any plastic beads. That is to ensure that we do not contribute to the pollutants that end up in our waterways and keep fish away from harm. High five, Goldie! A central point that makes us unique from other beauty brands is that we offer an opportunity for anyone to passionately sell and recommend our products, either as a side hustle or even as a full-time entrepreneur. We do that across 60 countries, having 3 million members across the world. Last but not least, we and our community are bound by 3 common values: togetherness, spirit, and